Kia ora and welcome to the step-by-step tutorial on how to change your personal details via Te Ara, the Te Wānanga o Raukawa student portal. Step 1. Search up wānanga.com in your chosen web browser. This will open the Te Wānanga o Raukawa website. Step 2. Click on Te Ara. Step 3. Click on the Sign In button. Step 4. Enter your username and password and click Sign In. Please remember that they are case sensitive. Step 5. Click on Change My Details. Step 6. Click on New Change Details Request. Step 7. Change your details. When you reach the bottom of the page, tick the declaration to certify that the information you are changing is true and correct, and then click Next. Please note, if you are changing the name you have enrolled with, you will need to provide evidence of this, such as a marriage certificate. To upload these documents, select Add Files and choose Files. Locate where you have saved your files on your computer, select them, click Open, and then click Add Files. Step 8. Click Submit Change of Details Request. Ka pai, you have now submitted a change of details request. If we require any further information from you, a member of Te Tomonga, our enrolments team, will be in touch.